Hey, what's up my fellow collectors? This is the Unknown Collector, and I'm here with another showcase slash review of The Good Guys, Chucky. And I think this is considered a 1/6 scale of Chucky, if I'm not mistaken. But it's from the makers of Neca toys, and they came up with the cloth Chucky. This is the front. I like the fact that they gave us the box, the yellow box that says Good Guys in it. A little close up right there. But anyway, today we're gonna be showing this little showcase slash review. This is the back of it. Chucky, I think everybody's familiar with the Chucky movies already. If you're not, you're inside freaking rock or something. But you gotta check out Child's Play Part 1. It's originally called Child's Play, and the doll is named Chucky. You gotta watch Part 1, because the serial killer Charles Lee Ray got into his body, and that's all I'm gonna tell you. It's a great movie. It freaking was an iconic movie at the time, and it still is. They still making Chucky movies. It gets cornier and cornier every time that I see it, but go see the original. And Part 2 was good. I think Part 3 was okay, but then after that it started getting dumb. But anyway, Neca Toys, the clothed Chucky, and we're gonna show you some. We're gonna compare it to the ultimate Chucky from Neca, right here, which I got here. We're gonna compare it. Obviously, this is not a 1/6 scale. This is a lot smaller, but it's the ultimate Chucky. It comes with 3 head scopes. So check out the showcase in the review. I'm gonna put in a link right here. So you press that if you want to check out the video. All right. So there it is. Anyway, let's get some close-up look at this. Now I'm gonna have to open this hard plastic right here. So let's get to it, man. Let's go.
American dream.
Hey, what's up? Yes, it's me again. I just wanted to let everybody know, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And most importantly, comment. Let me know how's the review. Let me know how's the showcase. If you want more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comments. But guys, by letting me know that you want more of these videos, I need subscribers to motivate me to do more. So by the end of this year, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Guys, I know we could do that. I know we could help each other out. Let's make this happen, guys. All right, we could do this. All right, that's all I wanted to do. Most importantly, like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Peace.
Young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew. I roll out in the morning light, whip that Harley bike, all black, I'm the party.
Alright, this is it right here. Off the package. Still not out the little box. I want to check it out. Alright, here we go, around it. Let's look at it. Really good. Make sure. Alright. Look at the box. Looks like the original box from the movie. The writings, everything. From the pictures. But except that face though. It was a nicer face than that. Alright, let's take out Chucky out the box, alright? I took Chucky out the box. Not completely, still in the bubble. Do not eat that, kids. It's not candy. But anyways. Oops. Trying to do this with one hand. Let me see if it comes back. That's good. Look at this. Alright. It comes with that voodoo knife. Comes with a good guy hammer. Look at that face. Look at those teeth too. Nasty teeth right there. Comes with that bat. And a household knife. His iconic outfit, good guy outfit. Alright, let's take him out from the bubble. Alright, let's go. Alright, there goes Chucky out the box. I'm not gonna turn him around. He's barely standing. But look at. Maybe I had to put some gel on his hair to put it in place. Depends what kind of look I want to get. The crazy look. There it goes. Knocking down. A little hard to stand up. There it goes, ready to go down again. Same thing in the back. Not much. Let's get a better look at it. He's barely standing up. Look at his face. And that's doesn't come with too much accessories like the other one, the Ultimate Chucky. Do some comparison. Then do different poses with different accessories that he came with. Then do some comparison sizes on the other one. Then on my 1/6 scale figures, how he fits in with the 1 scale. Alright, let's go. Alright, here's the comparison. As you already could see. That's the Ultimate Chucky from Neca. I should have came out with the ruler. How big it is. Look how small he is compared to him. And the hair is a little different colors. And I got him with the bat and the voodoo knife. So that's the size comparison. This is the other head sculpt that comes with the Ultimate one. It's a total of 4 head sculpts it comes with the Ultimate. So that's good. Let's get a close up. Don't fall. Closer right there. Closer right there. Reason I got the Chucky, this one with the cloth, because it fits in with my 1/6 scale figures. So I could pose them. I could say, hey, I got Chucky as a 1/6 scale. So that's good. So let's pose them with a 1/6 scale figure. So there it is. The 1/6 scale gladiator Thor. Look at the door right there. If you guys want to see the showcase / review of Thor, it's gonna be right in the link above the video. Hopefully, press that and it'll send you right to the video that I made of him. So go check that out. Do some close up on the door. Look at it, much bigger. Then it comes. Well, I had to put his head between his legs like that he could stand up. Well, it fits in with perfect with the 1/6 scale figures because he is supposed to be a doll. So he's supposed to be that small to that 1/6 scale. So it fits in perfect with the 1/6 scale. Look at his face. He's really angry that he has to be below Thor's nuts. And I don't think Chucky. I don't think Chucky's really happy about it. And he had to pose right below his mighty balls. Well, anyway, that's it right there. But stay tuned. I am gonna show you some poses, different poses of Chucky at the end of the video. So stay to the end of the video like that. You guys can see the pictures of the poses. All right. So let's go.
Or her, or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.